अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज के लेक्चर में हम फोनेटिक्स कवर करेंगे। अगर आपसे पूछा जाए डिस्कस ब्रांचेस ऑफ फोनेटिक्स या व्हाट इज़ आर्टिकुलेटरी फोनेटिक्स, व्हाट इज़ फोनेटिक्स, एक्सप्लेन इट्स ब्रांचेस, तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को आप कैसे डील करेंगे। द स्टडी ऑफ साउंड्स इन ह्यूमन स्पीच इज़ कॉल्ड फोनेटिक्स। ह्यूमंस जो भी वर्ड्स अटर करते हैं उनमें साउंड्स होते हैं, उन साउंड्स की स्टडी को फोनेटिक्स कहते हैं। फोनेटिक्स की 3 ब्रांचेस हैं, आर्टिकुलेटरी, एकॉस्टिक और ऑडिटरी। Articulatory phonetics deals with producing sound from the mouth, description of sounds and transcription of sound. Transcription क्या होती है? Writing sound with the help of symbols. Each sound in the languages have their specific symbol. As you can see the word cat. सेकेंड वन इज़ एकॉस्टिक फोनेटिक्स। एकॉस्टिक फोनेटिक्स फिज़िक्स के साथ डील करती है। हर साउंड की अपनी स्पेशल फिज़िकल फीचर्स होती हैं, फिज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं। फिज़िकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ साउंड को मेजर करना, उनको स्टडी करना एकॉस्टिक फोनेटिक्स कहलाता है। फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रीक्वेंसी बैंड्स मेजर्ड बाय मशीन्स। थर्ड वन इज़ ऑडिटरी फोनेटिक्स। हमारे कान में एक कैनाल होती है जिसे ऑडिटरी कैनाल कहते हैं। ऑडिटरी कैनाल बाहर से साउंड लेती है, उसे ब्रेन की तरफ भेजती है ताकि साउंड प्रोसेस हो सके। तो ऑडिटरी फोनेटिक्स में भी हम स्टडी करते हैं रिसेप्शन ऑफ द साउंड बाय ईयर एंड प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ साउंड बाय ब्रेन। इसमें हम ये स्टडी करते हैं कि किस तरह से साउंड ट्रैवल करता है ब्रेन की तरफ। प्रोडक्शन ऑफ साउंड, ट्रैवलिंग ऑफ साउंड और प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ साउंड। Let's discuss its branches in detail. First one is articulatory phonetics. Organs which help us in producing sound are called articulators. वो organs जो sound produce करने में हमारी help करते हैं, जब हम बात करते हैं तो sound produce होता है, वो sound जिन organs की मदद से produce होता है, these organs are known as articulators. Articulators की examples larynx, pharynx, tongue, lower teeth, upper teeth, lower lip, nose, hard palate, soft palate and alveolar ridge. So this is the structure of mouth and you can see all the articulators labeled here in our mouth. So let's see the process of production of sound with the help of these articulators. Sounds are made by air striking with articulators. हमारे लंग से हवा आती है और इन आर्टिकुलेटर्स के साथ टकराती है, साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है। दिस एयर कम्स इन फॉर्म ऑफ द स्ट्रीम फ्रॉम द लंग्स। लंग से जो हवा आ रही है वो स्ट्रीम की फॉर्म में आती है। देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ एयर स्ट्रीम्स, एग्रेसिव एयर स्ट्रीम एंड इंग्रेसिव एयर स्ट्रीम। Aggressive airstream means outward stream of air which goes out of the mouth and produces sound like pa, ga are produced by this stream. And second one is ingressive airstream, stream of air in which air is taken inside the mouth. Now we will have an explanation of all the articulators. First one is larynx. Larynx is a box-like space in neck. Air coming from the lungs passes through the larynx. In the diagram you can see the location of larynx. When the air coming from the lungs have to go towards articulators, it passes through the larynx. When the air coming from the lungs have to reach articulators, it passes through the larynx and it is situated in the neck. Second one is vocal cords, 2 bands of muscles laying opposite to each other at the opening of larynx. Vocal cords or vocal folds. You can see the structure of vocal cords. It's just like 2 bands of muscles. Vocal cords open and close to produce vibration. We will discuss the concept of vibration in the next. Next one is pharynx, tube that extends above the larynx. Pharynx is basically known as the covering of larynx and it is situated behind the nasal and oral cavity. Pharynx connects nasal and oral cavity to the larynx. You can see in the diagram, this is pharynx. Length of pharynx in women is 7 cm and in men it is 8 cm. Vocal cords open and close to produce vibration. So now we discuss the concept of vibration. When the air passes through, vocal cords can open and close very fast. This is called vibration. And we can feel this vibration by touching a neck, by touching a throat and producing a sound. You can also write the difference between voiced and unvoiced sound in this way. If you feel vibration when pronouncing a sound, then this is voiced sound. You can see the examples gum, zip, dun, ga, za and da. How we can feel that either it is voiced or unvoiced. Let's pronounce the sound za, and if we produce this sound continuously it will be like zzz. Yeah, you can touch your throat and you can feel the vibration by pronouncing this sound. If you don't feel any vibration when pronouncing these sounds, then the sound is unvoiced sound. If you say f and continuously you say f, you don't feel any vibration in your throat, so this is unvoiced. Similarly, s and ch, sip and chin, these are not voiced sounds. Next one is the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is the space behind the nose. You can see the nasal cavity in the diagram. It is filled with air. Nasal cavity produces a kind of humming sound, humming noise. This is called resonance. We are studying articulators, and all the articulators produce sound when air strike with them. And each articulator produces a special kind of sound. And the nasal cavity produces resonance, which is a kind of humming sound, humming noise. Nasal cavity enlarges when soft palate is lowered. This is the soft palate. When soft palate is lowered, obviously nasal cavity enlarges. When it is lowered, volume of vibrating air will be more. Now if mouth is closed and all the air passes through nose, we get the nasal effect. This nasal effect is known as nasalization. After the nasal cavity, we have the oral cavity. Most of the articulators are present in the oral cavity. These are lips, teeth, tongue, alveolar ridge, soft palate, hard palate and the glottis. We will also discuss all these oral cavity articulators in detail. We have the classification of sound, manner of articulation and place of articulation. We will also discuss all this in detail in the next video.